everyone, good morning. Today, I'll teach you on how to make a simple homemade fruit salad. So guys, konti lang naman ang gagawin natin just to satisfy our cravings when it comes to salad. So let's start. I'll show you first the ingredients on how to make a salad. The first one is a well-drained fruit cocktail. So guys, kailangan kasi well-drained siya kasi there are some salad talaga na napapanis agad. And the purpose of draining well is to make our salad more tastier and taste good. Okay, the second one is the all-purpose cream coming from Nestle, just to make our salad more creamier. We also have Alaska. Wala pa rin katalo sa Alaska. Kondensada. Kailangan po kondensada. And we also have nata de coco. It's my favorite. I want to add more nata de coco because I really love eating nata de coco. And the last one is Eden cheese, just to make our salad more cheesier. Simulan na natin yung pag-mix ng ating mga ingredients. Una is the Nestle cream. Paghahaluin po natin yung Nestle cream and condensed. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cries and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I cried as he tried to reassemble it. And that was the day that I promised never sing of love if it does not exist. Darling, then you are the only exemption. Okay, pwede na siyang ihalo. Haluin natin sa fruit salad. Wow, it's clear. Then start to mix again. Here we go. Ooh. Like that, because I'm kaluwete. Sa fruit salad, dinahaluan nila ng apple. At since kulang ang budget, pagtiyagaan na po muna natin. Okay? Alright. And, of course, let's add add-ons, which is my favorite. Nata de coco. I want add-ons. There we go. Ew. And I choose to mix also the cheese. The cube cheese. Cube. Ooh, sarap. Sarap. the words are floating to shore when I can find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. Ito na po ang ating fruit salad. Tcharam! Thank you so much for watching.